Okay, in this video we're going to learn how to subtract integers. And when we subtract integers, we're going to subtract an integer by adding its opposite. So basically, I'm going to change two things. I'm going to take this subtraction sign, I'm going to change it to addition. And this 12 happens to be positive then because I use that as a subtraction sign. So this now becomes a negative. So I'm going to add the opposite. So then, now I can go to my rule of adding integers. They're different signs. So because they're different signs, I'm actually going to subtract 12 minus 3. Because 12 is the bigger number, it's going to be negative. And 12 minus 3 is 9. So the answer to the first one is negative 9. And if you think about it, if you have $3, but you have to give $12 to somebody, you don't have enough, so you are going to be negative $9 to owe them. Or if you're on the number line and you're on 3 and you have to go down 12, you're going to pass the 0 at 3 and go down 9 more. So think about it, either one of those ways of why subtraction is adding the opposite. And then the second one, we have negative 8 minus a negative 13. Remember, to subtract an integer, we're going to add its opposite. So we're going to take the subtraction sign and make it add. And the opposite of 13 is a positive 13. So now we have negative 8 on our number line, but we're going to come over 13. So after you get to 0, we'll have been 8 away. So again, it's 13 minus 8. But this time we're going to be on the positive side of 0 because 13 is the larger number and is positive. So 8 minus 13 is 5. So it's going to be a positive 5 because 13 was positive and I'm on the positive side of the number line. When I began at negative 8 and came 13 over, I passed 0. So then to subtract an integer at its opposite, we're going to look at the last one. We're going to take the subtraction and add. The opposite of negative 4 is a positive 4. So 5 plus 4, that's just like regular addition we learned a long time ago, will be 9. So that is how you solve these three problems by subtracting an integer, adding its opposite. If you think you understand this can be a confusing one. Make sure you either rewatch this or check next to try some on your own and come back to this if you need to. Good luck.